Today I've teamed up with UNice and they sent me with this beautiful 24-inch Real Scalp HD lace wig. She's a beautiful loose wave texture. The curtain bang and the cut was pre-styled. It even had the little roller attached for the perfect flawless install. And speaking of install, I'll be showing you how I installed mine in literally like 2 or 3 minutes. I'll show you how to touch up the curls. I'll show you how I got this flawless install and even add a few little touch-up curls just so you'll know how to do things at home by yourself. So if you want to see how we got this look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, before we get started, I don't remember if I mentioned or not, but this one here is glueless. Get a load of this flawless hairline and literally no glue, no gel, no spray is needed. Beautiful, super simple and easy install. So let's get right into it.
Running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, have you seen on deck? Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs, laugh through the mess. Only be his family, a little finesse. Living every moment, come vibe, no stress. Hit subscribe and ride with the best.
City light, to the base of my heartbeat, we gon' be alright. I've been dreaming bigger than the room I'm in. They see the smile but don't know where I've been. Young heart, heavy thoughts in my chest. Still moving forward, never settling. They said slow down, I said watch me go. Every step I take, yeah, I'm finding my flow. Had doubts in my head at night, feeling low. Vision too clear, I can't move too slow. Yeah, yeah. Hands in the air, feel the moment rise. We don't need much, just faith tonight. Every move sing to the flashing lights. If you feel this now, you're living life. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Feel that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can't ignore that feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high, let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. I remember days when they slept on me. Now they vibing now when I step on beats. Same kids, same goals, new energy. Turning moments into memories. Friends around me at a circle tight. Laughing through the stress, we allowed tonight. No fake love, just real ones here. Every single move feel crystal clear. Let the rhythm talk, let your worries fade. This the type of night we don't wanna waste. Every heartbeat line with the bass. If you feeling this now, you're in the right place. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Feel that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can they know that feel? When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high, let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. By fall, I get back up stronger. Every step make the dream feel closer. No fear now, I'm moving smarter. It's my time, I'm going far. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Every single beat got my heart on tilt. From the dark to the glow, yeah, I built this feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. Hands up high, let the moment fly. Every single voice singing side by side. If you feel this now, yeah, you know it's real. We on the move, yeah, the whole world feels it. Late night, city lights. If you dreaming, you alive.
Okay, love bugs, this is the finished look. Get a load of the va-va-voom. Now I have this high neck, like quarter zip divine dupe on, so it kind of is like in the way and bulking it up in the sides, but you guys get the picture. I've taken pictures of this one, I've been out with this one, and you can see how gorgeous she truly is, and you can see that it gives the same vibe straight out of the box. This means that if you are a beginner or a lazy wig wearer, this one here is for you, especially with Mother's Day underway, prom season underway, and just summer in general underway. This here is the perfect wig where you can receive it and literally quickly. From the time you receive it at your doorstep, you can have it installed, already pre-styled in under 5 minutes, and you'll be ready for your perfect special occasion and looking fab, right? Now, on this one, I did show you guys 1 or 2 ways to style it. I love a good low pony because it gives, you don't have to worry about the nape being messed up. And then you also can do an updo or like a clip. Having a few of these around always is going to be a lifesaver, especially just to get your hair out of your way, or you know, if you're a little bit hot, and it just looks so elegant styled up with the beautiful curls as well as the curtain bang. So I'll have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl in the description box. Look at that. She's 2T, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.